Hey everyone, want to learn anything super fast? Today, I'm sharing tips and tricks to speed up your learning process. Let's jump right in. First off, set clear goals. Define exactly what you want to learn and why. Having a clear objective keeps you focused and motivated. For example, instead of saying I want to learn Spanish, say I want to hold a conversation in Spanish within 3 months. See the difference? Next, break it down. Big goals can be overwhelming. Break them into smaller, manageable chunks. If you're learning guitar, start with basic chords before tackling full songs. Small wins build momentum. Use active learning. Don't just passively read or watch. Engage with the material. Take notes, ask questions, and teach what you've learned to someone else. Teaching reinforces your understanding and highlights any gaps in your knowledge. Another powerful trick is spaced repetition. This technique involves reviewing information at increasing intervals. Use flashcards or apps like Anki to help with this. It's a proven way to cement knowledge in your long-term memory. Don't underestimate the power of a good environment. Find a distraction-free zone to study. Turn off notifications and set specific study times. Consistency is key. Your brain craves routine, so try to study at the same time every day. Mix up your learning techniques. Read, watch videos, listen to podcasts, and practice hands-on. This keeps things interesting and caters to different learning styles. Plus, it helps reinforce the material from multiple angles. Take regular breaks. Your brain can only focus for so long. Use the Pomodoro technique, study for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. After 4 sessions, take a longer break. This keeps your mind fresh and prevents burnout. Lastly, stay positive and persistent. Learning something new can be challenging, but don't get discouraged. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small, and keep pushing forward. So, there you have it. Set clear goals, break tasks down, use active learning, practice spaced repetition, create a good environment, mix up your techniques, take breaks, and stay positive. Follow these tips, and you'll be a learning machine in no time. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more awesome content. See you next time.